Good morning, students. So, up to now, we discussed about MS Word. Yes, about the MS Word we discussed. That means how we can create the MS Word document and how we can save the MS Word document, how we open the MS Word document, and how we give the information to MS Word document, and the how we will insert the tables in MS Word documentation, and how we will mail an information from MS Word document, and how we insert headers and footers and page numbers in an MS Word document. Okay, these are the things up to now we learned. Okay, so and we will have MS Excel in our next as the syllabus. MS Excel. So what is meant by MS Excel? Okay, MS Excel is one of the application that has been present in the MS Office package. Already we know about that MS Office package. MS Office, it was the package that which will consist of different application programs. Okay, or different application softwares. So it is the application package. First of all, it is the application package. Okay, so in this application package, what we will get? We will get MS Access, and we will get MS Excel and MS Outlook. Okay, MS PowerPoint. Here MS stands for Microsoft Office. Okay, MS PowerPoint, MS Word. So these are the different application packages that are present in the MS Office. Okay. So first of all, you have to know the difference between application softwares and system softwares. This has been already discussed by the concerned lecturer in your class. Okay. So we have to know about the difference between system softwares and application softwares. Okay, what do you mean by a system software? First of all, what do you mean by a system software? These are the softwares which are has been used for to run the computers or to run the devices. Okay, that devices may be the computers or otherwise mobiles or otherwise different devices, etc based on the technology. Okay, if you are going to use the computers, if you are using the computers, here we will have MS Windows or DOS or Unix or Linux, etc. These are the these are the system softwares which are has been present in our world. Okay, and for mobiles, for mobiles, we will have Android softwares and BlackBerry iOS, next Apple iOS, etc. These are the mobile running softwares. That means these are the softwares which are has been used for to run the devices. That means to run the system. Okay. So these will be called as system softwares. And what do you mean by an application software? Application softwares are the softwares which are has been installed in the system softwares, okay, to run different type of aspects based on the users. Okay, based on the user to run the different type of aspects, we will install the application softwares just like Adobe Photoshop. This is used for to change the images. That means to edit the images you will use the Adobe Photoshop in the systems, and to view the PDFs you will install the Adobe PDF Reader. Yes, Adobe PDF Reader or otherwise Foxit Reader, etc. etc. software has been used. And to play the videos, you will use the VLC media player or otherwise MX player, etc. etc. Okay, and to play the audio files you will use VLC also, and you will use MX player also, and Windows MP3 player. It also has been present, Windows MP3 player in the systems. Okay, Windows MP3 player. And to type the documents you will have Notepad and WordPad, etc. etc. Yes, and the extension MS Word is also there. These are the application softwares which are not included in the system softwares. These are the different softwares which are has been used for the several purpose. These are not used for to run the systems. Okay, application softwares are not used for to run the systems. Only system softwares are used for to run the systems that are, which are has been present in our devices. Okay, so these are about our system softwares and application softwares. Okay, coming to our MS Office, we already discussed about MS Word, and this MS Word is the documentational software. Okay, that means it has been used for to create the documents. Okay, which type of documents? User required documents. And MS Excel, the next one which are we have to discuss about it. Okay, MS Excel. It is the software that was used for to give the data. Okay, it is also for to give the data. But what is the difference between MS Word and MS Excel? In MS Excel, you will insert the data in the form of columns and rows. Okay, you will insert the data in MS Excel in the form of columns and rows. That means in the form of tables. Okay, so in the form of columns and rows, we will insert the data in MS Excel, and to insert the these columns and rows has been used at tables, that means present at tables. Okay, so you will insert the data in Excel in the form of tables, and these tables are present in worksheets, or otherwise these are also called as spreadsheets. Okay, so in MS Excel we will have the spreadsheets. Okay, the data will be saved in the form of spreadsheets itself. And what is the next benefit that has been given in the Excel, or that has been present in the MS Excel rather than MS Word? Means here you can calculate the data very easily. Calculate the data very easily. Why? Because it is present, the data has been present in the form of columns and rows. So these columns and rows will consist of different cells. Okay, and with the help of the cells you can calculate the data by entering some different type of formulas. For example, if you want to add, you will use the sum. If you want to subtract, you will use sub. Okay, just like this you will have the different types of formulas. For example, if you want the log values, you will use the log as the formula. If you want the maximum value, you will use the max. So if you want to use have minimum value, you will use min. If you want average, you will use average function. If you want sine values, you will use sine. If you want cos values, you will use cos. If you want tan values, you will use tan, etc. etc. Okay, these are all present in the MS Excel. Okay, and why we use PowerPoint? PowerPoint was used for the presentation purpose. Why we want to create the presentations? For example, if you are the employee in some private sector, so You are the team leader in that private sector. So your team got a project to do, okay, within the limited period of time. First of all, you have to take the all the required gatherings, that means raw materials to design the project. Okay, so you will gather the all these things, and you will have some blueprint about that project. Okay, you have that blueprint. Blueprint means the uh, example print. Okay, so blueprint, you will have the blueprint of that project, and you have to explain that blueprint to get sanction, and that means to get go ahead from your manager. So you have to give the presentation in front of the clients with those who are given that project for the your company. Okay, so we will have some different data. So these data has to be saved in the format of one document or one presentation that has to be shown to the client and your manager. Okay, that means client in front of your manager, you have to show them and you have to explain them about your software. On that time, instead of using the documentation, that means if you are going to explain about pdf, okay, you will save the documentation in the form of pdf, and you are have as you are open the pdf, and you are going to explain that reading entire the lines. Okay, this is not good. Okay, this is the not the way to explain them. So you can take some major important points from that pdf, and you are going to explain them, just like how we will explain the topic for you. Here we are going to explain the topic for you with the help of the name only. Here I am going to use the excel, and here I am going to use the powerpoint. With this name only I am going to explain the each and everything that which has been present in the powerpoint itself. Okay, just like that, you are also have to explain the project things and raw materials, and which type of materials has been used to that develop that project, and how much time has been going to take to develop that project, and what is the final outlook of the project. These are all the blueprints we have been prepared, and these has to be explained to the clients in better way. On that time we will use powerpoints. So on that time you are going to present them. So these are the presentational softwares. Okay, these are the presentational softwares. And next one, what is ms access? ms access is the database software. That means you will stay, if you want to save the data in the form of in your system, on that time you have to use the ms access. It is the last unit we will have, so we will discuss about it. And the finally outlook. Okay, outlook means it will use it for to send the mails. It will use it to send the mails for the different persons from your ms outlook, sorry, ms outlook account, that means microsoft account. Okay, it is about the ms office package definition, and that means entire information about ms office package. Okay, now we can go and discuss about the ms excel. So if you want to open about ms excel, you can click ms, sorry, you can type ms excel. Okay, excel 2007, it will has to be open. Or otherwise, if you want to open directly, you can go here and drag the information, and you can select ms office, and here from ms office you will you have to open the excel. Automatically ms excel software will be opened. See, observe here, each and every line here has been in the form of columns and rows, and these columns and rows will have the cells. Okay, and these cells will have the different names. Okay, here this one is the column name and this one is the row name. Okay, this one is the column names. Column names are a1, a b c d e f g h up to something, up to the entire numbers. Okay, next, just like this, you will get the different types of values to open them, and these are the row names. Okay, the by default you will have different types of values, and while you are going to drag your mouse roll over button, automatically these are has been increased up to the size. Okay, so, and by selecting a cell you will get the cell name. It is the a1, that means a is the column name, 1 is the row name. That means horizontal lines are will be called as rows, vertical lines are will be called as columns. Okay, these are the cell names. When you are going to select the names, automatically the name of the cell will be changed here, observe there. Okay, so I am going to select here different types of names. Automatically the names has been changed. The by default first will be provided the selected, and that will be the a1. Okay, and how you can save and open the ms excel excel software. It is the normal thing. The step one, go for start menu. Second one, click on MS Office package and select MS Excel and click OK, and MS Excel page will be opened. Third one, go to the main menu, that means file menu or office menu. Okay, you can select the save button. You can select the save button. Automatically dialog box will be shown for you. You can automatically save the document name. Okay, the by default document name is book 1 here. Okay, I am going to save the document as Viveka. Okay, Vivekananda. Okay, Vivekananda I am going to save. I'm clicking on yes, automatically it has been changed into the Vivekananda. This document, this software, this document, this spreadsheet name is Vivekananda. Okay, and here observe this, you will get by defaultly 3 sheets in MS Excel. Okay, one sheet will be called as worksheet. This is the second worksheet, this is the third worksheet. So these three are will be called as the spreadsheets. Okay, automatically the sheets will be spread up to the n values, which are up to the last n value. Okay, so it is about the introduction of MS Excel. That means how you have to, how you can open the MS Excel document, how you close the MS Excel document, so how you can save the MS Excel document, and if you want to print, this is the thing. You can go for file menu or office menu. You can select the print here. Automatically you will get the print option, or otherwise you will use Control P. So to get the print, to get the print window. Okay, or you can directly select Control plus yes to save the document. To open a document, you can select Control plus O. Okay, so to open new document, you can create Control plus n. Automatically new document will be created. Okay, these are the different shortcuts which are has been present in the MS Excel. So you have to be aware about these shortcuts. Okay, you can see them. Okay, thank you.